Hello everyone, Harry Baldock here, editor at Total Telecom. And today I'm delighted to be talking to you from the Win-Win Extended Reality Studio to discuss the fascinating topic of cloud transformation. Joining me are Chen Xuejun, Director of Carrier IT Marketing and Solutions Sales Department at Huawei, and Pradeep Almeida, Group CTO of Dialog Axiata, and they're here to discuss their cloud transformation journey so far and how carriers can best approach this topic. Chen, Huawei's worked closely with more than 120 carriers around the world on cloud services. What collaboration models have you employed to achieve shared success?
The cooperation in cloud business between Huawei Cloud and carriers is very flexible. We have jointly operated cloud with carriers. Huawei can directly sell cloud services to carriers and sell Huawei cloud services through carriers. The first model is operating cloud with carriers. This is the model we adopt with telcos, including China Telecom, China Mobile, Orange, and Telecom Malaysia. And this model is doing great. At the same time, we welcome carriers to purchase or resell Huawei cloud services to their B2B customers. As you can see, we offer flexible cooperation models to carriers, including jointly operated cloud, direct purchase, and resale.
As a telecoms communications provider, Huawei also offers telecom network solutions and telecom application and software solutions. How does Huawei Cloud coordinate with your telecom network solutions and the application and software solutions to better meet your customers' service needs? And can you give us some examples as well?
Huawei has been in the telecom industry for more than 30 years. We provide leading ICT products and solutions to our customers. Our solutions of telecom network and telecom services can collaborate with Huawei Cloud organically. Let's first talk about networks. Carriers own wireless and fixed networks. These networks are carriers' core assets. However, in the past few years, we can see that it takes longer time for carriers to monetize their networks. So today, we would like to introduce cloud services on networks to accelerate network monetization. This has become a trend of telco's future business. So what kind of chemistry and competitiveness improvement can Huawei Cloud and Huawei Network enable? We can integrate and optimize Huawei's cloud and network offerings. So carriers can provide one-stop services to their B2B customers. We can also integrate Huawei's solutions of cloud, network, and security. Then carriers' B2B customers can enjoy the all-in-one solution. In addition, large B2B customers might want to adopt a dedicated cloud, private network, and professional services altogether. Huawei can enable carriers to provide private cloud, the private network, and professional services to their B2B customers. This is the synergy between Huawei Cloud and Huawei Network. The synergy contributes to the monetization of telecom networks. Secondly, Huawei can enable carriers to accelerate service innovation. Nowadays, there is an increasing number of innovative services and their iteration must be fast, and TDM must be short. If the development and testing platforms of these services can be deployed on Huawei Cloud, their development cycle will be greatly reduced. So will the time to market. In this way, we can enable carriers to quickly release new services to their customers. For example, financial digital services, and video services. It may take perhaps several months or even longer to develop them under the traditional model, but iterative development on the cloud, especially with cloud-native technologies, can reduce the development cycle to just a few weeks or even to a few days. This allows the carriers to quickly launch new innovative services to the market. Thirdly, Huawei can enable carriers to improve their operation agility. Carriers have operation support system and maintenance system. Huawei Cloud can make the operation support system more agile. For example, if the Customer Experience Management System, also known as the CEM system, is deployed on Huawei Cloud, its operation efficiency can be greatly improved. What does that mean to 5G user migration? We know that migrating 4G users to 5G is an important task for many carriers. If the CEM system is deployed on Huawei Cloud, 5G user migration can be twice as fast, if not 3 times faster, increasing carriers' operational efficiency as well as their revenues. To conclude, Huawei Cloud can support carriers to accelerate network monetization, enable service innovation, and improve efficiency and the agility of operation system. These are the benefits brought by the synergy between Huawei Cloud and carriers' networks, carriers' BSS, and OSS.
At the Cloud Transformation Summit, you launched Huawei's latest carrier cloud solution. You proposed M+, S+, and O+, which stands for Network Monetization, Service Innovation, and Operation Agility. What are the key differences between your solution and other cloud service provider solutions? And can you tell us a little more about this?
No problem. Huawei's value proposition is Plus Cloud, including Network Plus Cloud, Service Plus Cloud, and Operation Plus Cloud. At this year's MWC 22, we have also proposed the value proposition called Plus IT New Growth. For telecom operators, networks are their fundamentals, are their core assets. Telecom networks combined with cloud will allow carriers to quickly monetize their assets, their telecom services. This is our key proposition. Around this, we have introduced N+, S+, and O+, which means N, Network Plus Cloud, S, Service Plus Cloud, and O, Operation Plus Cloud. So, how are the combination enabling new growth for carriers? Let me start with N+, Network Plus Cloud. Carriers' core assets are their fixed networks or wireless networks. With cloud, they will be able to provide integrated cloud network solution, including integrated solution of cloud, network, and security, and the whole package of dedicated cloud, dedicated network, and dedicated services to their B2B customers. These will accelerate network monetization for carriers. Then S+, Service Plus Cloud. Service Plus Cloud aims to accelerate service innovations and shorten TTM. Take mobile money as an example. A few years ago, we began to work with a customer outside China. Huawei provided the customer with the mobile money platform. At the beginning, the platform was deployed on servers. Then, over the past 2 years, we helped the customer migrate the mobile money system to Huawei Cloud. Then, what happened? In the past, it could take months for the customer to roll out a new service. And it also took several months for the customer to bring a mobile money partner to its platform. But today, it takes only a few days to deploy the new service or a new partner service on Huawei Cloud. This greatly accelerates the launch of innovative services and shortens the time to market. Today, the mobile money revenue of this customer contributes to more than 30% of its total revenue. The number of its mobile money users has already outgrown its mobile users. The user base continues growing rapidly. The mobile money has thus become its second growth curve. That is the difference made by service plus cloud. The third part of our value proposition is O+, operation plus cloud, which is the chemistry between a telco's operation system and the cloud. As we all know, the OSS is critical for carriers. In the past, the operation support system was typically deployed on servers. It's referred to as on-premise deployment. However, with the acceleration of cloud transformation, many carriers would deploy a part of the OSS on cloud in order to improve the efficiency. We have the solution to support that. To move OSS to cloud, we deployed the CEM, namely the Customer Experience Management System, with the distributed Huawei Cloud solution. Some lightweight components are deployed on the public cloud to ensure elasticity and agility of scaling, while sensitive services are deployed on local HCS nodes to achieve high efficiency and security. In this way, the deployment period is shortened, and the 5G package marketing success rate is increased by 180%, delivering stable service growth. This is how our value proposition of Network plus Cloud, Service plus Cloud, and Operation plus Cloud is able to enable carriers' networks, telecom services, innovative services, and operations to further achieve growth as well as higher efficiency.
Pradeep, Dialog has really been driving cloud transformation in recent years. What progress or achievements have you made so far when it comes to internal and B2B services?
Yeah, so a few years ago, Dialog started with a cloud first strategy. So then there were three verticals. One is engineering, second is IT vertical, and third is enterprise. So engineering side, we started with the NFV approach, where we were building an NFV platform and then migrating the workloads to that virtualized platform. So some of the applications that we have running on NFV today are the small cell gateways and most of the VAS services, as well as mission critical services related packet cores and other applications are built on that one. And then IT side, again it was on-prem cloud that we started, like combining all the servers and then virtualizing and offering the services to host the application. And then as we go on, we started using public cloud as well. So if you look at today, we have like charging gateways, and our data lake is the biggest example. And once we migrate the data lake to the public cloud, so all the analytics and related applications, the reporting, everything get generated on the public cloud. Also the new services, new applications, even including apps, is on public cloud today. And the third was on the enterprise side, where the data center was initially started as physical rack space. Again there we build a cloud using the internal on-prem cloud. We started offering services, And then today we offer public services and public cloud services to enterprise customers, covering infrastructure as a service or platform as a service, application as a service, security as a service, and various propositions given to the enterprise customers as well. And then today, earlier we started, like I said, it's 3 verticals that we started, but we have started merging and all these especially the on-prem cloud to a single cloud. So, whether it is engineering workloads or IT workloads or enterprise workloads is running on a single cloud, which is managed by a single team today.
It sounds like Dialog have really been innovating when it comes to internal services and has seen a significant growth of B2B services as well. Can you tell us more about how you've developed your core capabilities?
Yeah, that was one of the biggest challenges we had, because it's again we took a multi-pronged approach, developing the internal skill set, getting the internal staff trained, and then developing their skill set. And also where we saw gaps, we recruited and got a new skill set incorporated to the same teams, so that we get fresh blood or fresh thinking or fresh talent to the same team. And then whenever we see that we lack certain capabilities and there is a stronger partner ecosystem who are more capable, who are more talented on those areas, so we started building partnerships. So it can be the internal, the local partners, as well as the international partners. So it's a mix of multiple things. So I think it was, if we waited till saying that we will build everything on our own, I don't think it would have been a easy or a faster route to take. So that's why we had to take this multi-pronged approach, building skill set, strengthening the internal team, as well as relying on internal local SIs as well as the external SIs to get the objectives fulfilled.
What are your criteria for choosing a cloud transformation partner? What do you think is most important?
Yeah, so it's again multiple criteria. First, it should scale up, because we have to ensure we don't get limited by the scalability, and also security is one other concern. So it should be secure enough for us to depend on it, and also other things like latency and time to market, how fast we can get it sorted out. So those are key criteria that will decide who is the partner that we are going to partner to take this cloud migration journey forward.
What are the key factors for success in cloud transformation?
Sure, I would like to share 3 points. First is about strategy. Carriers must have a firm strategy of cloud transformation. In the future, cloud transformation will be the trend. Then, carriers must be firm about embracing the trend. Second is about business. Carriers adopt cloud because they would like to enjoy stronger growth. The industry has been discussing the second growth curve. The future-oriented cloud transformation is key for carriers to realize the second growth curve. In terms of business, carriers need to design the business for cloud transformation right. Third, it's about technology. There are many critical technologies of cloud transformation. Then it is crucial to work with a partner that has advanced technologies. In conclusion, carriers should get prepared on strategy, business, and technology. Only so will they be in a better position to embrace the cloud transformation.
Yeah, it starts with people and processes, because it requires a complete shift, from the way you used to work versus migrating to cloud or running cloud services. So you have to ensure people there's a shift in attitude or the way they look at the cloud, as well as define the processes to support it. Then project management plays a key role. You have to ensure that you clearly define time targets and get it going. Plus then the data governance, there's a lot of sensitivity around it. You should be clearly aware what data can be migrated, especially when it comes to the external or the public cloud, what data can be migrated and what cannot be migrated. And then parallelly build all the skill set that or sort of evangelists who will promote this cloud services and cloud migration. Plus the operator will get additional benefits. The success, let's say once you let's say migrate the services, the success depend on what additional would you get migrate into the cloud, especially the automation and AI ML related, because you get access to a huge database where you need not be limited to only your data sources. So, and also the use cases that get implemented in some of the other places can easily be replicated and implemented on your, let's say, on your particular opco. So, all of these, it's a combination of all, but like I said, the key is people and the processors. So, we need to get the buying and the support of people and process if we to make it a success.
Amid the current wave of digital and cloud transformation, what kinds of image should we shape as cloud-based carriers?
Carriers are from the telecom industry. Carriers' digital transformation will be a benchmark for the industry digital transformation. So they must adopt firm strategy to embrace the transformation and be the role model for industries. Secondly, carriers will definitely be the key partner to enable the digital transformation of their B2B customers. Why is that? First, carriers already have great cooperation with B2B customers. Also, carriers have strengths in both networks and telecom services. If cloud service is added to the portfolio, carriers will surely lay a solid foundation for industry digital transformation. So I believe carriers must embrace digital transformation first to be the role model for industry customers. Then they need to leverage their strengths, that is, their advantages in network, in telecom services, and combine them with cloud to enable digital transformation of industries. In this way, carriers will be the go-to partners of industries for cloud transformation.
Pradeep, Chen, thank you very much for your time today and for sharing your thoughts with us. For those watching at home, we hope you found the discussion useful, and we look forward to learning more about your own cloud transformation journeys in future. Thank you for watching.